In this video we're going to show you how to adjust the driver's seat with electric functions on the new MG Electric 4. The driver's seat has two buttons located on the outer aspect of the driver's seat. The front button pivots towards the rear and has two functions. Push down on the front of the button and the seat will move slightly backwards and down. This button also moves the seat upwards. If you pull the front of the button up, it moves slightly forwards and up. This button will also move the seat horizontally forwards and backwards. Push back on the front of the button to move back. Push on the rear of the button forwards to move the seat forwards. The rear button is for tilting the rear of the driver's seat. It's pivoted on the lower aspect. Push the top forwards to tilt forwards and pull backwards for the seat to recline. Using these two buttons should give you total control and an ideal driving position.